is Sheikh Tasneem Firdaus. I am studying 6th class at our Chaitanya Middle Standard School. This is my team.
My name is Rushta.
My name is Ignesri.
My name is Sharishma.
We are going to tell about CanBot. Robot synthesis and students often seek engineering hands-on projects that combine creativity and technological skills. While there are numerous robot kits available, many lack of distinguished designs or fail to inspire artistic inspiration.
This gap presents an opportunity to create a robot that not only functions effectively but also serves as a canvas for artistic customization.
The CanBot introduced a project inspired by the shape of spray can merging functionality with the artistic expression, built in using accessible components like Arduino Nano, gears, wheels, ultrasonic sensors. The CanBot is designed to navigate its environment and avoid obstacles and interacts with its surroundings.
Its unique design environment uses two personalization, the robot thought, maintaining and decoding, making each CanBot a one-of-a-kind creation. This project serves as an excellent platform for learning about robotics, electronics, while also fostering creativity and personalization. Let's see the operation of the CanBot. If the obstacle comes, robot stops and wheels and take another direction. Thank you very much.